Now we've created 3 independent images on which we can go working on separately. For this task, you can create a new layer for the 4-shape sketch inside the file you are working on. Or you can directly work over the first sketch. I'll choose the second option this time. So, let's begin. For this video lesson, I've picked blue color as to make the fur art pop up over the first sketch. During the sketching, we will take into account length of the cat's hair, the way it sticks to the body, and the direction it grows in. As the Siamese are short-haired, for the instance, we will not need to define much their fur. We'll just pick the essential directions of how it's distributed all over its body. As their hair is thick, it usually sticks to their body shape. The main part of the work was already done during the previous video process. Now we'll begin with British cat. Their fur, in spite of not being short, just don't stick to their body as a Siamese hair actually does. Taking this into account, we'll trace rounded lines around the body, neck, tail and head. The lines should not be too separated from the original drawing, as the length of the hair is short. This type of fur is like a dandelion, so there are actually no real strands to differentiate over it. We'll just mark in the hair direction. It's Persian turn. This one will be different from the other 2 options we have, as Persian have a very long fur which is dense but smooth, much more than in the case of the previous cats. The hair all around the body, including the neck and shoulders, is long. So in this case, we shall modulate the main hair strands, taking into account the body shape and the gravity, which in spite of their hair being very light is still important. Here is when one can fully appreciate the previous image research we've made. It will help you to understand how the hair is distributed in different directions around the cat's body and how it changes depending on a pose. Just look at its tail. When it's close to the ground, it seems that this cat is sad, but if you only flip it, suddenly the cat feels interested in something. Maybe its favorite food is near,